What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Scoop. I'm back with another video. Today my video is a little different. I want to give you guys some knowledge, information on this stock that I came across Sunday. I actually did the research Sunday night, and I actually bought the stock Monday morning. This stock is Aphria, and it's a cannabis-based company. Let me see. Aphria Inc. engages in the production and supply of medical cannabis. It operates through the following segments: cannabis operation, distribution operation, and business under development. The cannabis operation segment produces, distributes, and sells both medical and adult use cannabis. So you guys get the picture. But like I said, I actually decided to purchase some of the shares of this stock, and I didn't think this stock would take off like this. As you can see, my total return so far is $2,866. That's a 62.32% increase. And my total return today was $2,350. Guys, I made $2,350 off this stock just today. Now, I only had the stock for 2 days. I bought the stock Monday. I actually bought the stock yesterday, Monday morning. And today is Tuesday night. Well, you guys will probably be seeing this video tomorrow morning sometime soon. But in 2 days, I made a total of $2,866 in the stock Aphria. And guys, I'm trying to tell you now, guys, if you don't own any stock in marijuana, you need to get some stock in one of these companies, especially Tilray. I think it's a good stock, and Aphria is a good stock. Actually, those two companies are going to merge together sometime soon. So if you guys are not into the cannabis stocks, you need to get it ASAP. Like today, like as soon as you finish watching my video, I'm trying to tell you guys to get in now. Like I said, I bought $4,600 worth of shares. As you can see right here, yay, your order to buy $4,600 of Aphria is complete. You receive 269 shares at $17.07. So guys, I bought these shares when they was $17.07. As you can see, the price right now is $27.70. So guys, I'm telling you, this stock is going to the moon. You guys need to hop on this ASAP. And I mean, I'm not an investor. I'm not a pro investor or an advisor. I'm just trying to give you guys some knowledge on this stock that I came across. And like I said, I bought the stock at $17, and right now it's $27, and that's in 2 days, guys. So I think by the end of the week, we should hit somewhere between $30 or $35. I'm not sure, but the way it's been going, it certainly can get there. 3 months, the past 3 months, it has gone up a total of 408%. 1 month, it's been going up 223%. 1 week, guys, it has gone up a total of 77%. In 1 day, guys, it has gone up to 25%. So I'm telling you guys, if you don't own any stocks in the cannabis business, you need to jump in now, because I think they're going to legalize. It's coming pretty soon where they're going to legalize marijuana in the United States. It's already legal in Canada and across country, in the UK. So pretty soon it's coming to the United States. The United States might be the last country to do it, or they might go ahead and jump on the wagon and do it now. So I'm gonna try to, if you guys new to the channel, make sure you stick around. I'm gonna try to give you guys a day-to-day update of the Aphria stock that I purchased. Like I said, today I'm at $2,866. If you guys, I know some of you guys already know about this. If you bought the shares back when they was, I think it was like $1, probably like $1.05. That was back in October or November, somewhere between that time. I know you guys have made a killing, but I'm trying to tell you guys now, the ones who don't know, that you should go ahead and purchase this stock right here. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you stick around. I will try to update you guys, on the progress of the Aphria stock. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and your like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.